The Routing Step Copy program was created by E2B Technologies to make it easier for manufacturing companies to maintain routings and work orders in MAS 500 Light and Advanced Manufacturing and reduce errors in that process. Functions within the module include the ability to copy steps from previously defined routings or work orders to new or existing routings or work orders, the ability to add copied steps to the end, beginning, or between steps on the existing routing or work order, the ability to optionally copy step notes from the source to the destination, the ability to create rework templates which can be copied to work orders, or the ability to launch routing or work order maintenance from the Copy Steps screen. Routing Step Copy was created using the MAS 500 toolset and is integrated with MAS 500 Security, Light Manufacturing, Advanced Manufacturing, and Inventory Management. On the Copy Step screen, first select Copy from Routing or Work Order, and then Copy to Routing or Work Order. Now let's look at an example of a rework step we want to add to a work order where production needs to fix parts that are in process. We've created a routing called rework that contains material, outside processing, and labor steps that can be added to other routings or to open work orders. Back on the Copy Step screen, we enter the routing and version to copy steps from, and the beginning and ending steps to copy. I've also checked to include step notes in the copy process. Now let's look at the work order we will add a step to. In this example, problems occurred after step 20, which is the molding operation. So we will add a rework step between step 20 and step 30. Back on the Copy Step screen, we enter the work order and select where to add the new step. The options are Add to End, Insert at Beginning, or Between Existing Steps. I've chosen Between Existing Steps and directed the new step to start after step 20. I've also entered an increment of 5 for the new step to be added. To initiate the copy, select Proceed. A message tells us that the copy has been successful. The work order maintenance screen can be accessed directly from the Copy Step screen by selecting the Maintenance button. On the Detail tab, we can see that the rework step has been added as step 25. Notes from the rework routing step have also been copied to the new work order step. Copying from existing steps can save considerable time and reduce errors in both routings and work orders. Steps can be copied from routing to routing, or from routing to work order, or from work order to routing, or work order to work order. While the example presented here is for rework steps, this functionality has many applications. Many manufacturers have very similar production standards for groups of products they produce. In many situations, routings are the same and bills of material may vary only by a few components or quantities of components. Companies may define a template routing containing common manufacturing instructions. Job shops and other make-to-order manufacturers will also benefit from this enhancement, since production steps may be copied from previously completed work orders for similar products to new routings or work orders. When using routing step copy, keep in mind that steps cannot be copied within a routing or work order. Source routing does not have to be active or standard. Source work order can be closed. You cannot copy to a destination work order step which is prior to a step with transactions. Therefore, rework steps cannot be added to a work order if any production against a progress step has been entered without adding a new progress step after the new rework step. Destination steps may be after the defined progress step by selecting Add to End. Keep in mind that these steps will result in cost that is not part of the finished good cost but a variance.